The 2013-2019 Ford Escape has faced various transmission issues that have raised concerns among owners and potential buyers. One of the most commonly reported problems is the rough shifting experience during acceleration and deceleration. Many drivers have reported that the transmission hesitates to engage or shifts abruptly, leading to a less than smooth driving experience. This can be particularly frustrating in stop-and-go traffic where the frequent shifting can become annoying and uncomfortable. Another significant issue that has been noted is the transmission slipping. This occurs when the engine revs up, but the vehicle fails to accelerate as expected. This problem can create a feeling of uncertainty and can be dangerous, especially when merging onto highways or navigating busy streets. In some cases, the slipping may be accompanied by warning lights on the dashboard, indicating a need for immediate attention. These symptoms can lead to safety concerns, prompting drivers to seek repairs, or even consider replacing the transmission altogether. Additionally, some owners have reported problems with transmission fluid leaks. Leaking transmission fluid can lead to low fluid levels, which are essential for proper transmission function. Insufficient fluid can exacerbate existing transmission issues, leading to further complications and potentially costly repairs. Regular maintenance and inspection are crucial for identifying and addressing leaks early, but some owners may not be aware of the importance of monitoring their vehicle's fluid levels. Lastly, the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has also been a point of concern for many Escape owners. The TCM is responsible for managing the transmission shifting patterns and ensuring optimal performance. In some cases, faulty software or hardware in the TCM can lead to erratic shifting behavior and other transmission-related issues. Ford has issued recalls and software updates to address some of these problems, but not all owners are aware of these solutions. Staying informed about potential recalls and maintenance updates is essential for minimizing transmission-related issues in the Ford Escape.